Hi guys. So real quick, if you see like red spots on me, they're mosquito bites. I went to a campsite yesterday and got a lot of mosquito bites. Mosquitoes just really, they love me. The love is not reciprocated, but it doesn't stop them from doing what they do. But I was outside for like 10 hours. I just touched my new tattoo. That hurt. I like rubbed it and it, okay, I'm good. Yes, I wear mosquito spray. DEET free. Am I ever gonna get to the point? I don't know, I feel like this is an ongoing issue in my videos and I just can't seem to get to the point. I'm getting to the point now though. Okay, so as I'm sure is the reason you clicked on this video, I am going to be, well, not am going to be, I did recreate weeks worth of grunge looks, and these are early 90s grunge looks. They're from some of my icons. If you don't know, which I'm assuming most of you probably don't because most of you probably don't see me in my day-to-day life or don't know me that well in person, my style is greatly influenced by the early 90s grunge era. If I could go back in time, that's where I would go back in time to. I am obsessed with the fashion of that time. I am obsessed with the music. I grew up listening to Pearl Jam and Alice in Chains. That's primarily what I remember from being a little child and just being really consistent throughout my whole life was them. Nirvana, I love them as well. I've always loved Kurt Cobain. I've always had a really sweet spot in my heart for Kurt Cobain. It really saddens me that I was born after Kurt Cobain passed away. Eddie Vedder's voice is one of like my top 5 favorite voices of all time, and Lane Staley's is definitely in my top 10 favorite voices as well of all time, and so is Kurt Cobain's. Singles is also one of my favorite movies of all time. I love Chris Cornell, and I was very sad to hear of his passing a couple of years ago. I think the reason that I love grunge music so much is because you can literally hear the emotion. Now that we've got that out of the way, I've wanted to do this video for such a long time. So these outfits, they're not exactly the same, but I also don't have a lot of money to go spend and buy new outfits. So these are things that I had. All of these outfits are stuff that I would normally wear anyway, just with a few different added pieces. I felt totally comfortable wearing these outfits. I guess now I'll scoot over and I'll talk about each day, and I kind of want to just give a little backstory. Let's start out with day 1. Obviously we're going to start out with day 1. We're not starting with day 3. So for day 1, I thought that it would be a good idea to start out the week by recreating an outfit from Kurt Cobain. My thought process behind this outfit was I wanted to recreate this one specifically just because I really liked it. I like the Captain America shirt with the blue cardigan. In this picture, you actually can't tell what shoes he's wearing. I just ended up wearing some Vans skate highs. I thought that it looked really good with the outfit. I had this Aerosmith shirt, and it's the white shirt, and it has red, white, and blue on it. So I thought that that would be really good as a substitute for the Captain America shirt. And then I have a blue cardigan that is really similar to the fit of his blue cardigan, only mine is a little bit longer. All in all, it fits about the same and it's the same color. Then I just put on some high-waisted pants that I had that were not close to the same wash as his, but they fit kind of the same way. They're kind of a not super tight fit, but not a loose fit. They just fit, and I thought that that was the look that they were going for. I even asked Corey if that was pretty accurate, and he said that it looked pretty accurate. I will insert the clip now of my outfit. So as you could see, the outfit was pretty close, not exact. On these, I didn't really do the same hair or makeup onto outfit 2. For outfit 2, I didn't just want to do grunge bands, I really wanted to do other things from that era as well. So I decided to try to recreate an outfit from Angela Chase. Angela Chase was on the show My So-Called Life, and if you don't know, My So-Called Life ran from August 25th of 1994, which is my birthday, so what a coincidence. Anyway, it ran from August 25th, 1994 to January 26th of 1995. And the show, My So-Called Life, is about a teenager named Angela Chase. Angela Chase is played by Claire Danes, which I'm sure we all know who Claire Danes is. She is a very well-known actress. I'm pretty sure she's about 15 or 16 in the show. She's like a sophomore. And I love Angela's fashion in the show. Her and her best friend, what is her best friend's name? I love both of their fashion in the show, and so I had to recreate one of Angela's outfits. So the outfit that I chose to recreate, it's Angela and a character called Jordan Catalano. Jordan Catalano is played by Jared Leto. I'm sure we all know who Jared Leto is. They're in the hallway. Angela is looking at Jordan. She is wearing this blue flower dress that has buttons all the way down it, and a like orange and brown with black and white flannel. They're just looking at one another in the school, and so I obviously didn't have that exact same outfit, but I did have this blue dress from the 90s, this blue and black dress. I think I've worn it whenever I was recreating Phoebe Buffay's look from Friends, and then Corey has a flannel that's really similar. So I put both of those together, and then in this picture I couldn't find what she was wearing on her legs or for her shoes, so I had to look at other pictures of what she typically wore. Typically she would wear, from what I found, opaque black tights and then combat boots. So that is what I did. So I will insert the video of what it looks like right now so that way you guys can see, and then we can talk about it a little bit afterwards. As you can see, the colors aren't the exact same as what Angela's wearing. However, the style is pretty close to what I know for hers though, I didn't wear any makeup. When I did the picture, I did just put on a little bit of Glossy's Leo because I did notice that she was wearing a little bit of like a brownish red lip, it looked like, and then some mascara, and that was all that I wore. Now for the video though, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to do the video at the same time that I took the picture. So the video is done a little while after the pictures. So that is why in the video I have on like a full face of makeup. I didn't do that for the actual day that I wore this outfit. Let me know what you guys think of that look, and let's get on to day 3. So for day 3, I really could not imagine doing this video without Chris Cornell, and I saw these pictures of Chris Cornell and I was like, I literally have to recreate this. I think Chris looks phenomenal here in these pictures. Chris in these photos, he's just wearing a white tank top with some black jeans rolled up with some combat type boots and socks that are kind of pushed down. His eyes are really shining. So I don't know what this picture was taken for, if there was any special occasion or reason for it. But anyway, so this picture, for this, I don't have a tank top that is like that, but I do have a high neck one, literally the exact same one as this, just in white. And so I wore that with some black high-rise mom jeans from that time that matched literally those exact ones that he's wearing, although I don't know if his were mom jeans or not, but mine went up considerably high. And then I don't know if you can really tell in the picture, I'll try to make the picture big enough so that way you can tell, but he is also wearing a button-up shirt around his waist. So I didn't have exactly the same one as him, but I did have one that was kind of close, so I put that around my waist as well. It looks like he's wearing a fanny pack, which I don't have any of those, so I couldn't put that on. For his socks, I did, I don't know if you can really tell in pictures and in the video because I am so pale, I did actually do my socks like he did, and then I just put on my Docs, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert the photos that I took and the video now. As I'm sure you can tell, this one I think looks the closest. I love this outfit. The outfit is something that I would wear normally. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't do the socks typically. Also, I tried to get my hair to curl or to do some type of wave. I've told you guys before, my hair does not hold a curl. I have to hairspray it majorly, but sometimes it'll do a little bit of a wavy thing if I put it in a braid for a long time. So what I did was I braided up my hair in a couple of braids and took a straightener over it, and this works literally for most people that I know if they want to get curls in their hair. And then I took out my hair and it actually looked straighter than it did before, so I couldn't get my hair like his. I thought that it really would have added something to the picture if I would have been able to do that. Let me know what you guys think of this recreation. I definitely think that this recreation is the closest one. For day 4, you know that I had to recreate one of Eddie Vedder's looks, and the look that I ended up deciding on doing was a look from Pearl Jam's Unplugged, and it's where he's just wearing a simple t-shirt with the sleeves rolled up. I had to look at a couple of pictures of this to really see what he was wearing, honestly. He's wearing black pants because I was really worried, because I know something that he liked to do a lot was he liked to wear shorts with the tights. Corey looked at it, and from what we could tell, it looked like he was wearing gray pants rolled up with the socks like they were in the Chris Cornell picture, and then some type of combat boots. So what I did was I did that same thing. The shirt isn't exactly accurate. I wish the shirt that I had would have been a little bit tighter. His shirt wasn't super tight, but it wasn't super loose as well. Sorry, I'm itching a mosquito bite. But the only one that I had was kind of a looser shirt on me. So I guess I'll go ahead and insert the picture and video now. Love this picture of Eddie Vedder. I really liked this outfit. Honestly, it was a little bit too much gray for me, but to his credit, I don't think his shirt is actually gray. It's hard to tell in the pictures though. I don't really think I have anything else to say. Let's get on to the final day, day 5. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, Singles is one of my favorite movies of all time. If you don't know, Singles is about a friend group of young people and dating during the early 90s. I think it's 92 in Seattle. Kind of makes the movie sound terrible, and it's really good. The music in it is phenomenal. The soundtrack to it is blessed. My favorite character in the movie is Janet, who is played by Bridget Fonda. I don't know if Bridget is the daughter of Jane Fonda. I absolutely love her style in this movie. Her style in this movie is just everything. The outfit that I chose to recreate, it is whenever she is walking down the steps with Matt Dillon. For her outfit, you can see she is wearing what I guess kind of looks like a skater skirt with a white t-shirt, tank top type thing, with a red, white, and black flannel with a plain baseball cap, and it looks like some little combat boots. I know her skirt has, it looks like polka dots on it. I don't have that, so what I did was I just put on my black skater skirt and I wore a v-neck shirt tucked into that skirt, because my white v-neck shirt, I cut it up to make it a crop top so it can't look the same as hers. And then also I just put a red and black flannel with it, and then I put a baseball cap with it, some tights like hers, and then some little black boots. Honestly, all except for the cap, this is something that I wear on a pretty normal basis. Just like the rest of the outfits, I was fine. I wasn't uncomfortable. Nobody even took a second look. Whenever they saw me in this, it was like, oh, Shelby's here. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the pictures and the video right now. So obviously you could see I couldn't really get a picture like hers going down the steps. I just did the best that I could and just got a picture of me in the outfit. I really like this outfit a lot. I really like this picture. I really like this movie. I remember the first time I watched Singles, I was obsessed, and literally I watched it every day for the next 2 weeks. That is the final outfit, day 5. I would just like to let you know that I would have done Elaine's Staley outfit, but I want to do another one of these videos. Wanted to have something to look forward to for video 2 as well. I can't wait to do this video again. It was really fun creating those outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let me know which outfit was your guys' favorite down below. I'm really interested to know. I hope that you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever time it is for you guys, and yeah, bye guys.